We are fighting an information war about the climate. Scientists are in a desperate struggle against the same misinformation campaigns they've always squared off against, funded by the fossil fuel industry and right-wing groups opposed to government legislation. But they are now also fighting a rearguard action against the most powerful government on Earth and seeing hordes of AI-generated slop on the horizon, poised to pollute the battlefield, some of it generated maliciously, and some of it simply to make a profit without any regard for the consequences. The fundamental underpinning of combating climate change is access to information. Data. In fact, data is the fundamental underpinning of all science. But data itself is not useful. It has to be analyzed, interpreted, and explored.
Artificial intelligence is capable of processing vast quantities of data, identifying patterns at speeds unattainable by humans, and generating concepts that would otherwise require years of human effort to conceive. This appears to be a significant advancement. However, a critical issue emerges. By rendering knowledge highly accessible, artificial intelligence may inadvertently contribute to a decline in individual and collective knowledge. When large language models produce responses, they are designed to reflect the statistical center of the data on which they were trained. The output is neither excessively unconventional nor overly bold, but rather what is most probable. This approach is effective in minimizing errors, yet widespread reliance on such systems results in knowledge that is safe, average, and in many cases, lacking in originality. This situation is analogous to a scenario in which every song on the radio becomes indistinguishable, as algorithms determine and replicate only the most popular elements. This phenomenon is referred to as knowledge collapse. The diverse, unconventional, and even controversial ideas that historically drive innovation and cultural progress are systematically marginalized. Unlike artificial intelligence, human agency allows for selective attention and exploration. Individuals may pursue the unconventional, the historical, and the unpopular. It is possible to study literature from centuries past, or to converse with individuals possessing distinct perspectives. Artificial intelligence may reduce the cost of accessing information, but the enrichment of knowledge remains a human responsibility. While artificial intelligence can provide vast amounts of information, its role is to supplement, not replace, human knowledge. The enrichment of knowledge remains a human endeavor, because only humans can apply ethical considerations, personal context, and societal values to the interpretation and application of information. In essence, knowledge is not merely data, but a dynamic process that humans are uniquely equipped to guide and enhance, making its continuous and responsible cultivation a fundamental human duty.